I show you the essential sauces for Asian cooking. First, I present you the 5 sauces that must be in your cupboard if you want to make recipes with the taste of Asia. Whether to make Chinese, Vietnamese, Thai, Lao or Japanese dishes. Then, I add 4 more sauces that are almost as indispensable. In Chinese recipes, the must-use sauce is soy sauce. On some labels, it is often indicated in Chinese and in English. We distinguish between light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. The light soy sauce is the classic soy sauce. It is composed of water, soy, salt, and soft wheat. It is obtained by fermentation of vegetable proteins. It brings its special aroma and salt to the dishes. It is very used in stir-fry dishes such as stir-fried chicken noodles, traditional Cantonese fried rice, Chinese stir-fried chicken and veggie, Chinese stir-fried spicy shrimp, in soups such as Chinese hot and sour soup, wonton soup, in meat marinades, Chinese barbecue pork belly satay, char siu Chinese barbecue pork, oven bake fall off the bone hot ribs, and in dipping sauces, wontons in chili oil. Sesame shrimp toast. To make the classic soy sauce darker and thicker and give it a more intense taste, sugar is added and its maturation time is extended by several weeks. This sauce then becomes the dark soy sauce. I add that we don't taste the sweet of the sugar in this sauce. The sugar counterbalances the salty taste due to the increased fermentation period. Dark soy sauce is essential for some stir-fry dishes and marinades. It will give your dishes a very appetizing color. It should always be used in sizzling black pepper beef, Mum's golden chicken, stir-fry beef with onion, Beau Look Like, honey lollipops chicken wings. There is also a mushroom-flavored version that you can use the same way. In my cupboard, I also have Japanese soy sauce. I use it exactly the same way as Chinese soy sauce, but in Japanese recipes and dipping sauces. It will give a taste so special to your dishes, such as beef and cheese yakitori skewers, chicken and pork meatballs sukune, sushi rolls, and miso ramen soup. Our fourth sauce is fish sauce. It is made from a brine of small fishes. It often replaces salt with a rather strong fish flavor that fades a lot when cooked. It is an ingredient that cannot be removed from the recipes. It is called Nam Pa in Laos, Nam Pla in Thailand, and Nuoc Mam in Vietnam. It should not be confused with spring roll dipping sauce, of which it is an ingredient. It is indispensable in Lao, Thai, Vietnamese and Cambodian cuisine. It will give good taste to your pho broth and also to your pad thai. Vietnamese chicken crispy spring rolls and their dipping sauce. Stuffed chicken wings. Thai grilled chicken. Beef balls. Tom yam goong. Thai green curry chicken. Lemongrass beef spring rolls. Caramelized pork. The fifth great sauce is oyster sauce. It is increasingly used in Chinese, Thai, Vietnamese, and Cambodian cuisine. Despite its name, it is composed of very little oyster extract, only about 4%. The majority of the ingredients it contains are wheat, cornstarch, water, sugar, salt, and flavor enhancer. It has a unctuous texture. It is salty and slightly sweet. It is often used in addition to soy sauce in stir-fries, marinades, and dipping sauces. It is found in sweet and sour chicken. Stir-fry broccoli with garlic. Sauté chicken and crispy spring roll and rice noodle salad. Thai stir-fry glass noodles. Spatchcocked lemongrass grilled chicken. Chicken feet. Stir-fried rice noodles with beef. Of all the sauces that I present here, the oyster sauce is the only one to keep in the fridge once opened. Now, here is our second group of sauces, those that are almost indispensable. In the first place, the Shaoxing cooking wine. It is from the Shaoxing area, southwest of Shanghai. It is the wine obtained by fermentation of cereals, especially rice. It is part of the ingredients of some stir-fries, meat marinades, and stuffings. It brings a certain taste to these dishes. For connoisseurs of Chinese dishes, this flavor is essential in some great classics of Chinese gastronomy, such as Chinese crispy pork belly, salt and pepper fried chicken, cỡ bao, sizzling beef. Here is another ingredient that will certainly perfume some of your dishes, the sesame oil. It is very used in Korean, Japanese, and Chinese cuisine. It is a vegetable oil extracted from sesame seeds. It is rarely used as cooking oil. It is rather added at the end of the cooking of a dish or in a dipping sauce to perfume them. Be careful with the dosage of this oil, as it is very fragrant and has an intense taste. If you put too much, it will dominate the taste of the other ingredients. What we are looking for in this oil is once again its subtlety. It will surprise the palate of the novice amateurs of Asian cuisine. Here are some dishes that use sesame oil. Chinese crispy spring rolls, har khao, lemon chicken, Chinese steamed barbecue pork buns, phun qua, another ingredient used in some dishes, soups, or dipping sauces is black rice vinegar. I like having it at my disposal to season my noodle dishes or my dipping sauces. It is made from wheat, millet, sorghum, salt and sugar. It is obtained by a long fermentation. It has an acid taste and it is singly perfumed. It cannot be replaced by another vinegar. You will love eating Chinese hot and sour soup, wontons in chili oil, chicken and choy sam with hot sauce, Chinese fried wontons, General Church chicken, Our last ingredient is the white rice vinegar. It is obtained by fermentation of rice wine. It is used to make vegetable pickles, sweet and sour dishes, salads, marinades, and dipping sauces. It is essential for making cabbage and chicken salad with Chinese mayonnaise, Vietnamese vegetable pickles, garlic salt and pepper tofu, sweet and sour shrimp. With all these sauces in your cupboard, you should be able to cook most of the Asian dishes. Bon appétit!